Top 15 signs of calcium deficiency symptom. Calcium deficiency disease, known as hypocalcemia, is a global health issue. There is no doubt that people around the world are simply not getting enough calcium from their diets. This is particularly problematic in developing nations where food sources may be scarce. But how can you spot your calcium levels are low and you're in danger of hypocalcemia, calcium deficiency? This video highlights some red flags. Your calcium levels could be low. 1. You're tired all the time. Calcium helps release energy from your food, so if you aren't consuming enough of the mineral you may feel more tired than normal. A shortage of calcium may also be one of the reasons pregnant women feel particularly fatigued. 2. You struggle to keep fit. If you're trying to shape up, resist the urge to cut dairy from your diet. Calcium, which is found in dairy products like milk and cheese, is essential for normal muscle function, including your heartbeat. So if you don't consume sufficient calcium to regulate muscle contractions, getting fit could be a real challenge. Contrary to popular opinion, white marks on your nails do not mean you're calorie deficient. 3. You bleed easily. When you sustain an injury, the sticky platelets in your blood form clots to stop blood flow. If you struggle to stem the flow of blood when you cut yourself, such as a paper cut, this could be a sign of calcium deficiency. 4. You break bones easily. Calcium is needed for the mineralization of bones to keep them strong, so low calcium levels increase the likelihood of broken bones, and osteoporosis in later life. 5. Poor sleep. Calcium is involved in the manufacture of the sleep hormone melatonin, and studies show calcium deficiency is related to the inability to achieve deep sleep, and normal sleep cycles are restored when calcium levels are increased to normal. 6. Confusion or memory loss. Calcium affects the functioning of the nervous system, and low calcium levels can eventually lead to mental confusion, hallucinations and memory loss. 7. Depression. Calcium deficiency has been linked to mood disorders, including depression, though evidence is lacking. Anyone who suspects that a calcium deficiency is contributing to depressive symptoms should ask a doctor to check their levels. Calcium supplements could help to manage these symptoms. 8. Blood pressure changes. Calcium helps regulate blood pressure, and low levels could lead to either high or low blood pressure. 9. Heart failure. Calcium deficiency is linked to an abnormal heartbeat, which can lead to congestive heart failure, breathing problems, fatigue and swelling in the feet and ankles. 10. Difficulty losing weight. Research has shown calcium stored in fat cells helps regulate the processing and storage of fat in the body. Fat cells containing the most calcium burn more fat, aiding weight loss. Of course, you'd still need to eat a lower calorie diet, but ensuring the calories you do eat are high in calcium could help shed the pounds. 11. Numbness and muscle tremors. Low calcium is linked to neurological and physical impairment, leading to tingling, numbness and muscle tremors in hands, feet, and the face. You may also have an impaired sense of touch caused by low calcium. 12. Muscle cramps. Muscle aches, cramps, and spasms are the earliest signs of a calcium deficiency. People tend to feel pain in the thighs and arms, particularly the underarms, when walking and otherwise moving. 13. Weak and brittle nails. Like bones, nails need calcium to keep strong, so a lack of the mineral can make nails very weak, slow growing and susceptible to breaks. 14. Extreme fatigue. Low levels of calcium can cause insomnia or sleepiness. Fatigue associated with calcium deficiency can also cause lightheadedness, dizziness, and brain fog, which involves lack of focus, forgetfulness, and confusion. 15. Dental practices. When the body lacks calcium, it pulls it from sources such as the teeth. This can lead to dental problems, including weak roots, irritated gums, brittle teeth, and tooth decay. Also, calcium deficiency in infants can delay tooth formation.